In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use folders in Canva. Organizing your designs in Canva can be a game changer, and in this tutorial, we'll explore a step-by-step guide to streamline your work and maintain order. Let's get into it. First, begin by heading over to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, locate and click on the Projects button. On this page, you'll see all your existing designs. It's like your creative dashboard, giving you a bird's eye view of everything you've been working on. Now, what we want to do is create a new folder for better organization. So you'll want to look for and click on the Add New button. After clicking Add New from the drop-down options, select Folder. This is where you can begin creating a designated space for specific projects or themes. Creating folders is an excellent way to categorize your work, ensuring that similar projects stay together, making it easy to locate them when needed. Next up, a prompt will appear where you need to name your folder. Think of a meaningful name for this folder that will instantly remind you of its contents. Enter that name in the field provided. Names like marketing campaigns or social media posts can really help in keeping everything organized and accessible. Once you have named the folder, click on Continue. This step finalizes the creation of your folder, adding it to your list of projects. Now that your folder is created, the next logical step is organizing it with content. Go ahead and open the folder you just created. This is your blank canvas where you can start collecting your designs. After opening the folder, you'll see an option that says Add Designs. Click on it and it will take you to all your designs. It's time to decide which designs belong in this folder. Click on your projects to access your full library of designs. From here you can select the designs you'd like to move into the folder. Check the box or button next to each design you want to add. Once you've made your selections, click on Move. This action transfers the designs into the new folder, helping you keep everything tidy and categorized. Folders in Canva can also be collaborative. If you're working with a team, you can share your folders effortlessly. To do this, simply click on the Share button, type in the person's email address, and then click on Share Folder. This allows your team members to access these designs, facilitating easier collaboration. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to master using folders in Canva. This method will help you maintain a well-organized workspace, allowing you to focus more on creativity and less on sorting through files. Remember to regularly update your folders as you create new designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.